Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We want to simplify this question we have on the board. We are asked to write this fraction as a single fraction. So we have two fractions here, algebraic expression, and we are asked to write it as single fraction. So how do we do? This is quadratic. So let's factorize here first. When we factorize, we now compare it to this denominator and get the LCM. So to factorize here, what two numbers can I multiply to get 20? If I add the same two numbers, I will have a negative 1, which is the coefficient of x here. The two numbers should be minus 5 and 4. If I multiply the both of them, I'll have negative 20. If I add the both of them, I will have a negative 1 coefficient here. So we're going to be having x over x squared minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. Bring this down, 1 over 5 minus x. So at this point, we group to factorize. Group this one and then group these two. What do I have common between this and this? That should be x. So bring it outside. X into x divide x squared gives me x. X divide 5x gives me 5. So I've factorized the common term here. Then I have 4 to be common here. So I'll bring it outside so that I will have x minus 5. If you open this bracket now, we get back to this. Bring this one down. Now that I've factorized, let's group the ones outside in one bracket and pick one bracket since this and this are the same. So we have x over x plus 4 and then x minus 5 minus 1 over 5 minus x. So at this point, you discover that this and this have a little similarities. So let me use this negative sign and perform operation here to make this and this look alike so that we can simplify further. I'll be having x over x plus 4, x minus 5. Then at this point, I'll change this guy to plus and then rearrange this guy. This becomes x minus 5. So I have only rearranged. This negative multiplying 5 will give me negative 5. Negative multiplying negative x will give me a positive x. I've done this so that this guy and this guy will appear similar. So at this point, we can simplify further. We use our LCM to add the two fractions. Then the LCM has to be x plus 4 and x minus 5. This is our LCM since this guy can divide here and this one can also divide here. So let's go. If this divides here, we are going to have 1. Like this guy and this guy will divide this and this. We have 1. 1 times x gives us x plus. Then over here, this guy will divide here. If it divides, this and this will cancel out. I'll have only x plus 4. Multiply it against 1. It is the same thing as x plus 4. Then you can add x plus x will give me 2x plus 4 over these two guys, x plus 4 and then x minus 5. So what do we do next? Factorize this numerator because something is common. 2 will come outside. I'll have x plus 2 over x plus 4, x minus 5. And this becomes our solution. We've been able to write this fraction as a single fraction. First of all, factorizing this denominator and then solving the LCM at this point to simplify it. I want to believe you understood it. If not, you can take the video back again and follow the steps gradually. I believe you understand it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share to your friends, and follow for more interesting tutorials. Bye.